You ain't nothing but a lost cause. This ain't nothing like it once was. You think you're such an outlaw, not you. You ain't nothing like a lost cause. This ain't nothing like it once was. I know you think you're such an outlaw, but you got no job. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords, back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Lost Cause by Billie Eilish. Alright, so for this song, I'm going to show you the beginner way to play it, the intermediate and the advanced player way to play it. Just make sure you have your guitar in standard tuning, put your capo on fret number 1, and the chords are as follows. So first we have an A minor, okay? So the chords for the song are literally 4 for the whole song. So we have A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open, right? So that's A minor. And then we go to G, which is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. And then we have an F, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Or 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open, right? That's also F. And then we have an E major, which is open, 2, 2, 1, open, open, alright? So the beginner player is essentially just going to be playing these chords and strumming them, alright? So demonstration. Let me just play the songs that I'm sure I'm giving you guys the right chords. So A minor to G, and then that F, and then we have that E major, alright? So this is the same chords you're playing for your verse and your chorus. Okay, so the chords are again A minor, off to G, and then we have that F, and then we have E major, right? And my strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down for each chord, right? And then your intermediate player wants to pluck the strings individually. So we have A minor, 5, 4, 3, 2. And then for G, you're plucking 6, 4, 3, 2. And then for F, it's 6, 4, 3, 2 or 6, 5, 4, 3 if you're holding it as the bar chord. And then for E major, it's 6, 5, 4, 3. Alright? And then there's that last part where they're like strumming a guitar and they're strumming like this. Alright? So that's down, up, up, down, right? Down, up, up, down. Down, up, up, down. Alright? And then you have that. That's the advanced way to play it, and that's the fingerstyle way to play it. So for that part, you're essentially playing 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, right? And you're hammering on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So that's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. And then you change the chord. So you have A minor, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, F, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, and then you have E major, and then you play, that's 3, 1, 1 open on your 2nd string. And that's just something that I picked up from hearing the song. This is my first time listening to the song, so this is the first tutorial, first listen, alright? So it might not necessarily be peak, like very accurate, but I tried my best. Alright, so yeah, that's basically it. I'm sure some of you would want to learn the fingerstyle, that's why I just put it there. If you're a beginner and you want to learn guitar, just try to play all parts because you don't want to be a beginner your whole life. Otherwise, that's been it, guys, for this tutorial. Do subscribe to the channel. There's more Billie Eilish tutorials on this channel from the latest album and from older albums. I'll just put it all in a playlist for you guys. Do subscribe to the channel, leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.